All right, what's up, everyone? This is Daniel Iglesias. You're one of your classmates from EDR 601. And the reason why I'm putting together this video is to present to you a brief tutorial, just go over some of the information that I went over in class, to show you guys how to save and print some of the material. I saw the emails that some of you guys were sending. That there was some confusion or there were some problems that you guys were having with the system as far as saving the documents or printing out the documents. So hopefully this helps out. And if you have any questions after that, feel free to send me an email, and I'll be replying to the email that you guys sent with this video, so you'll have my contact information. So if you have any questions in regards to the video itself or any of the stuff I go over, by all means, feel free to reach out to me. So I basically start off here. As you see on the screen, I opened up the data information. Oh, the Barry website disconnected me from SPSS for some reason. So I'm just going to go ahead and log back in. Opening up the SPSS software, I have my data saved to the S drive. As you can see here, this is the information. It's already in use. Alright, it'll still let us open it, which is good. So this is the list of the variables that we were asked to create in class, and this is all the data inputs from the 31 surveys that Dr. Woman emailed us. Once you have all your data inputted to the software, you have the option over here in File to save as, and you can go ahead and save it. I would definitely suggest saving it under the S drive. So when you open up the Save As window, you click on the drop box over here and find the S drive. You go ahead and click there. You can give it whatever file name you want. I just left whatever default title it had, and you're going to save it as this SAV file. Okay, it's going to be a file particular to this program, and it's going to allow you to open it up whenever you need to open it again. So as you can see, it's for the SPSS statistics app. So once you have your title in there, you've selected your drive, you can just click Save. This one already exists for me, so I'm going to go ahead and I can replace it. Alright, for some reason it's saving it somewhere else, but I already have it there. And that should allow us, so we'll go ahead and close out of this window. Nope, we're not going to save anything. Let's see how we reopen. Okay, the program continues to disconnect. So we'll go back in. And these are going to be your more recent files. So it should pop up there automatically, but if it doesn't, you can go ahead and click More Files. And once again, you go to the Dropbox, so you can select that S drive that you saved your document to. And here you'll see both of the documents. The original document is the first one, and then the second one was just the copy that it made for whatever reason. I'm not quite sure why it made a copy, but you can go ahead and open up the original one. Oh, because it made a copy because for some reason, even though it kicked me out, it's recognizing as if the document was open. It shouldn't do that when you guys are on it. But if it does, for whatever reason, it's probably best to just completely log off of the Barry website, or just restart your browser. And you should be able to log in just with a refreshed page and no previous information there. So you see that I opened up the document and all the information is available. Once you run your analytics, I think we just had to do the frequencies. you'll select all your variables, you run your graphs. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to go through all of those steps, but once you do run all your data, you have the option to export it. You also have the option to print it. If you want to export it as a PDF or a Word document or an Excel document, you can do that. I don't think it's necessary. I'm not quite sure how the formatting works. Hopefully everything prints out in one page. Not in one page, but like everything prints out aligned. But if it doesn't, if you have trouble where like one graph is printing out halfway through the page, you know, I'm not quite sure what problems you're having with the printing per se, but if you're having any issue with the formatting on the page, then you might have to export it as a PDF file or export it as a Word document, and that should be able to help you print it out with the proper formatting. But if you're not having any of those formatting issues, you can go ahead and just go to the print page, and you'll be able to select your printer, whatever printer you have set up. I don't have any printer set up because I'm on my laptop right now, and I just don't happen to have any printer set up here at the moment. But once you select your printer, you click OK, and it should send out a copy to your printer. Hopefully this has been at least been able to help you out a little bit. If you're having any different issues, any different questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me and let me know, and I'll see if I can find a way to resolve the issue. If not, perhaps we can discuss it tomorrow in class. But well, have a good night, everyone. Take care.